think the name TRUEscience comes from the fact that during the development path we made sure that what we were doing was good science.
We've tried to make a very simple product that's really easy to get started with and really easy to use, and doesn't require a laboratory background to make high quality, credible measurements.
The reality is we're using a smart tablet product, and we're taking a simple technique, which is a millivolt measurement of the change in hydrogen ions, and we're then converting that into a digital signal and then pumping it into a smart tablet, which then connects us to the web. It gives us batch traceability. It allows us to use barcodes, photographs, GPS coordinates. You know, there's so much that you can pack in to what was just a simple millivolt meter.
We spent a lot of time talking to customers and dealing with the common customer issues, and with a lot of different brands, a lot of different products, we'd seen the same issues came up time and time again. So we wanted to try and bring all of those ideas and all of those different areas where customers have issues together and try and solve as many of them as you could in a product.
In a lot of the testing phases where we'd been using other equipment, we found they were very difficult to use, to understand. We had to get manuals out. And you know, with an app, if you've had to get a manual out, the app has failed. It hasn't worked. And we wanted to see that in our end product, and we think we've achieved that. You know, if somebody isn't that familiar with the technique, you've then got the power of the app, you know, reminding them and showing them how to look after their electrode, how to do their calibration, how to do their test.
By using Bluetooth, we're not limited to the number of connectors we have on the box, so it means we can add multiple probes to the same device. So that was another piece that came from the customer development. A picture says 1,000 words, doesn't it? It's easy enough to describe a sample as being unusual or cloudy or misty or purple, so giving people the functionality to be able to get that rich data around their actual measurement, we felt was really important.
It's a simple product, but it's got a lot of features. But using the app technology means you can present an awful lot of functionality in a very simple way.
Customer suggestions is how this product was designed in the first place. So the more that we get from people using it, the more we can improve and update our app to be easier for customers to use.
Yeah, but the great thing is they can buy the app today, and in a year's time it will have more functionality. So it's not getting older, it's getting better, you know, and it's being updated. So for example, at the moment it does pH. In a couple of months it will be doing ion selective electrodes, and then after that you'll be able to do dissolved oxygen. So you may have bought a pH meter, but you've actually ended up with a multimeter.